This time we'll be discussing about arithmetic sequence. The arithmetic sequence is actually the skip counting that we've been doing since elementary. Like for example, if we have a sequence that starts with 1, and what if I want to do skip counting by 2 starting at 1, so the next term would be 3, next would be 5, 7, and so on. Now, when we move to high school, much more in college, there would be term in here such as 2n minus 1. Now, do you ever wonder why? How come we have this term here? Well, if you do, then better listen to this discussion. Yes, this time we'll be discussing on how come we have here the 2n minus 1 at the last part. Now, they say that the 2n minus 1 here will tell us the nth term that we are looking for. Like for example, we want to know what's the 10th term of this arithmetic sequence, and they would tell us that we'll be just using the 2n minus 1 formula. Now, they would say that this would be something like this: 2 times 10, because we're looking for the 10th term, minus 1, and that would give us 20 minus 1, which is 19. And they would even tell you that 19 is really the 10th term of this arithmetic sequence. Now let's check. If we move along after doing 7 here, next to 7, let's have that one here, 1, 3, 5, 7, the next would be 9, yes, plus 2, that would be 11, plus 2, 13, 15, plus 2, 17, and yes, there really is 19 there. Now let's check if it's the 10th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. When you were in elementary, you were thinking that this could be magic or what, but this is actually arithmetic sequence. Now let's start now the discussion on how come we have 2n minus 1 there. Now in arithmetic sequence, the formula in getting the nth term, we'll write that one here, a sub n, the nth term, would be equal to always a sub 1 plus the difference between n and 1, whatever the answer is, times d. D here is the common difference. Like in our example here, the difference would be 2 because we're doing skip counting by 2. What would be the a sub 1? As I mentioned, that's the first term. So in our example, our first term here is 1. So let's write that one here. Our a sub 1 would be 1 plus n minus 1, and our common difference is 2, so this becomes 2. Let's simplify here the expression, so this would be 1 plus, we know about distributive property in algebra, so this gives us 2n, and this would give us minus 2. Now let's combine like terms, so we have 1 minus 2 is a negative 1, and we're left with 2n here. There you go. That's why it really works for 2n minus 1. Amazing, right? We have another arithmetic sequence here. Try and apply our discussion and check if you can get the nth term to be 6n minus 3. Alright, thank you.